Hello everyone. Boy, have a nice find today. I've got a 99 Jeep Cherokee 2-door, 4-wheel drive with only 62,000 original miles. This Jeep has been sitting for at least the last 15 years, so it's going to need a fuel pump, general maintenance done, and it's missing the catalytic converter and muffler. Super solid, rust-free body on the bottom. The roof has very sunburnt paint. Pretty nice Jeep. These 2-doors are getting hard to find. This is a nice simple base model. It's got manual windows. Interior needs cleaned up. .231 transfer case. Just look under the hood here. Nice and original. It's got a few dings. Underside, super clean rockers, no rust. No rust on the floors, no rust on the doors. Make a pretty nice build. 99, 2-door, 4-wheel drive. It's been sitting for about 15 years. Needs some work. Clean title. 62,000 original miles. Send us an email. Give us a call. No trades, no payments. Show up with a trailer and we can set this up on the trailer for you. Thanks for watching.